Hi guys, today I am making oven grilled chicken, and this recipe is so simple and the chicken just comes out super juicy and flavorful. Trust me, this is a must have in your recipe book. Okay, so guys, I used 2 chicken laps for this recipe. I chopped those and it gave me like 6 or I think 7 pieces. Then I added some crushed ginger, garlic, thyme, curry, some seasoning powder, salt, some red pepper, some dry red pepper, some oil, barbecue sauce, and then I just toss it together. Make sure each of the chicken is well coated in the sauce. Then I'm going to cover with a cling film and place in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. Okay guys, you can actually marinate for about 3 hours, 4 hours. You get like a good result also, but I love to do it overnight. So guys, for the barbecue sauce, I usually make sure I get one that has honey in it. This helps to give a sweet and tangy flavor to the chicken. It doesn't have to be the same brand. I'm not advertising for any brand, but just get one that has honey in it. It helps with the sweetness. It adds that to the chicken, which just elevates the whole flavor at the end of the day. After marinating for 24 hours, now you want to place your chicken on your baking tray. What I do is to add the remaining sauce. I brush that on top of the chicken. This makes it extra juicy, but if you do not want that, you can totally just do without that last process, and you still get a juicy chicken, because the inner part of this chicken is super juicy already. I just needed the outer parts to be saucy and stuff. So with this, you do not really need any sauce. After which I placed it in the oven and got this super juicy chicken. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.